Take a ride in the 2014 Tahoe. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, intermittent wipers, running boards, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, OnStar communication system, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.